do I have to be certified as a medical biller? And the short answer to that is no. Video finished. No, just joking. So you've learned medical billing, whether that was on the job, self-study, or through a course, and you're thinking about getting certified. If you haven't already learned medical billing, you can watch this video that I'm going to link above, and it's speaking about the pros and cons of those 3 options to learn medical billing. But if you've already learned medical billing, you're thinking about getting certified, you want to advance your career and show your proficiency, today's video we're going to be discussing, should I get certified? Should I not get certified? What should I do? Keep watching. So what does it mean to get certified as a medical biller? Being certified as a medical biller means you have taken and passed an exam that tests your knowledge of all aspects of the revenue cycle and patient and payer billing and collections. If you're not sure about what a certification is or what a certificate is in medical billing, check out this video that I did that tells you the difference between a certificate and a certification. So how do I know what it takes to be a certified medical biller? My name is Tamika, and I am a certified medical biller who has over 17 years experience in the field. So me telling you if you should or should not get certified as a medical biller, of course, is my opinion, but I have a little experience in it. I'm going to go through some things to help you decide, should I be certified? Should I not be certified? What should I do? So the number one question that I get when people ask about medical billing is, do I need to be certified as a medical biller? And the short answer to that is no. At this present time, we are in December of 2023. It is not a requirement for most jobs for a medical biller to be certified. So because it's not a requirement, many medical billers are not certified and they feel like they don't have to get certified. Now that could change in the future because I've actually spoken to someone recently who told me that their employer, even though they were a biller for a while, their employer told them that they're not going to give them a raise or they can't give them a raise because they're not certified. So I guess employers are getting caught up on the fact that you can get certified as a biller and that may be a requirement. So you need to keep that in mind. Now, where can you go to get certified as a medical biller? So I have 3 organizations that you can get certified through. Now, mind you, some of these organizations have been around longer than others. So more people know about a specific one than another one. So you kind of have to decide which one you want to take. But I'm going to give you 3 places that you can go. And the first one is AAPC, which is the top largest organization that deals with the business side of healthcare. And through AAPC, you can be certified as a medical biller. You get a CPB, which is a Certified Professional Biller certification. The second organization is ANVA, the American Medical Billing Association. And through ANVA, you can get a CMRS, which is a Certified Medical Reimbursement Specialist certification. Again, some are more popular than others. So I don't think ANVA has been around as long as AAPC. I could be wrong, and if I am, I will put it on the screen. But most people know of AAPC, and then some know of ANVA. And the next organization is the National Healthcare Association. And through this association, you can get your CBCS, which is your Certified Billing and Coding Specialist certification. This organization is one that is new to me. I have not really heard about it, but in doing my research, I noticed that they also have an exam that you can sit for. Now, I did remember seeing some people have the CBCS credential behind their names, and I was wondering what that stood for. So when I came across this organization, I said, oh, okay, that's what it stood for. But those are the 3 places that I know about that will actually get you certified as a medical biller. If you know about any more that I don't know about, please leave that below, especially if you took it and you're certified. But again, AAPC is the largest. That's where most providers know about, and that's if they're going to require it, they may require it from AAPC. So what happens after you get certified? Now, I've heard people get a little confused after getting certified. They really don't know what's next. So after you get certified, after you have sat for the exam and you have passed, you, number one, may get a certificate, something that you can present on your wall, out to people, give it to employers, all of that good stuff. So that's one thing. Number two, you get credentials. So where I was naming the CPB, the CBCS, the CMRS, you get to put those after your name. So it shows people that you have sat for a specific exam, you have passed, and now you are considered one of these professionals. The third thing that happens is you will have to probably get CEUs. And CEUs are continuing education units. And I have a video about what CEUs are and maybe how much you need and all of that good stuff. So I will link that above. But you will need to get CEUs so that you can keep up your certification. So unlike a certificate where you take a class, you don't have to do anything after that. You get the certificate, it's yours to keep, and that's it. But with a certification, most of the time, in any profession, not only in billing, you have to continue learning about your profession. So you have to get CEUs. And it's just showing that you are proficient and you continue to be proficient in that particular field. So depending on which association you are affiliated with, you will have to get a certain number of CEUs. These numbers fluctuate between associations, so not all associations require you to get the same amount of CEUs, but that is something that you will research when you decide which exam you want to sit for. And the last thing that you get is membership. So most likely also when you sit for a certification, you become a member of that particular association, and you may have membership fees or membership dues or whatever it is. You might have that. So like with myself, I'm a member of AAPC. I have my certification through AAPC. So every year I have a membership fee. Every 2 years I have to get CEUs. So there are requirements like that. There may be other requirements depending on the association. I don't know because I'm not a part of every association, but for AAPC, which is the one that I am a part of, those are the requirements that I need to keep up or I need to continue now that I am certified. So to answer your question, should I get certified as a medical biller? Mind you, this is my opinion, so you may or may not want to after what I tell you, but this is my opinion. I wholeheartedly believe you should get certified as a medical biller if you are serious about this profession. Now, if you're going to take this profession, you're not really going to take it seriously, it's not really something, you don't really know if you're really into it, all of that stuff, I would say don't get certified initially, because you're going to have to put investment into it, whether it's monetary or it is time. You're going to have to invest something into this. So getting certified, meaning you have to pay to sit for this exam, you might have to pay for, you're paying for membership, you're paying for CEUs, all that stuff. If you're not sure if that's what you really want to do, then I wouldn't say go out and get certified right away. But also there are some other perks that I think you get. You get the confidence that you need. I don't know if you really believe in that, but I know I do. But confidence is extremely important. Sometimes when you don't even know how to do something, or you have 3 people who know about something and you are the lowest one on the totem pole, but because you are confident about what you can do and what you know can happen, you may get the job, you may get whatever it is before anybody else who has more experience or more knowledge than you. So confidence is something that's very important. And I know for me, when I got certified, it helped boost my confidence, even though I was already billing for 6 years, 7 years before that. So confidence is also something that you get that to me comes automatically when you become certified. Being certified opens doors for you. So even though it's not a requirement to be certified as a biller in order to get a job nowadays, it does help open doors. So imagine if there are two people applying for a job, one has experience and one has experience and is certified. The employer may lean a little bit more to the one who is certified because they're saying, well, this person invested in themselves. They took the time out to take this exam, to study, to learn more about it, and now they are certified. And then they have to continue to learn, to continue to get CEUs. They may lean towards the person who's certified, especially if this is before an interview, because you never know when it comes to interviews, but they might lean towards the person who's certified. It also opens doors for you because you can negotiate your salary more. I think you can negotiate it a little bit better now that you are certified. You can tell them, well, I'm certified, I took this class, you took this exam, you know that I know what I'm doing. And they may be more inclined to hiring you because of that, even if you don't have experience or not. So you can actually use being certified as a sales pitch or a pitching point to them to let them know that I have invested in myself, I continue to invest in myself, and I will do a great job. So should you get certified as a medical biller? As for me, I say do it, do it, do it. Because it will show employers that you are serious about your profession and that they can rely on you. So if you have any comments you want to leave below about if you should or shouldn't get certified, I'd love to hear it. And remember that medical billing is more than submitting claims. I will see you again in my next video.